In this video we gonna see what are the benefits of planking, how to plank, and when you shouldn't plank. So, planking is a simple but effective core exercise that helps you build stability and strength throughout your entire body. The plank is achievable in a number of different methods, but the main goal of the plank exercise will have you with your body perpendicular to the ground, stomach facing down, elevating your torso off the ground with either your elbows or hands. The plank is similar to being stuck in an extended push-up pose without actually moving your body weight up or down. This may sound much nicer and more forgiving than a set of push-ups, but the plank can become a strenuous exercise very quickly. Let's state some of planking benefits. 1. It strengthens your core. There are few exercises that work your total body and core strength so intensely as the plank. Whether you choose a conventional plank exercise, a side plank, an uneven plank, or any other variation, your core muscles will be worked hard. 2. It improves muscles definition. When you achieve a low body fat percentage, below about 10% for men, 15% for women, you will really be able to see your core muscles. Performing hard core exercises like planks will mean that there will be a tight, toned 4 or 6 pack to reveal. 3. It aids your metabolic rate. More muscle generally means a slightly boosted metabolic rate. There are few exercises that can match the plank in terms of core muscle stimulation, making it a favorite for any muscle building regime. 4. It helps towards improving your posture. Perfecting your posture will usually come as a result of strengthening your core muscles and lower back and ensuring that spinal alignment and upper back muscles are healthy. The plank will both work the relevant muscles needed for good posture and will also improve mindfulness over your spinal positioning. 5. It helps with back pain. Back pain is often a result of poor posture, which, as we just saw, the plank can help with poor lower back and core strength, and a lack of blood flow to the lower back muscles. Plank exercises all strengthen the core and lower back, will improve vascularity, and will help with posture. 6. It is great for core muscle stability. Learning to tighten your core muscles isometrically during a plank exercise will both strengthen the muscles themselves and allow you to develop a better mind-muscle connection to them. This will aid you in full body and core stability, which will have carry over into just about any athletic discipline. 7. It works more than just your core muscles. Resistance training works your muscles, of course. However, it also works the soft tissue surrounding the muscles and joints, as well as the bones themselves. Any plank exercise will rely on full body resistance through your core, your shoulders, your hips, your legs, and your spine. The soft tissue and bone around all of these areas will grow stronger and denser as a result of this training. So how to plank? 1. Begin in the plank position, face down with your forearms and toes on the floor. Your elbows are directly under your shoulders and your forearms are facing forward. Your head is relaxed and you should be looking at the floor. 2. Engage your abdominal muscles, drawing your navel toward your spine. Keep your torso straight and rigid in your body in a straight line from ears to toes with no sagging or bending. This is the neutral spine position. Ensure your shoulders are down, not creeping up toward your ears. Your heels should be over the balls of your feet. 3. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Release to floor. 4. Over time work up to 30, 45, or 60 seconds. Let's end this video with a word of caution. You should not do planks if you have a shoulder injury. If you feel shoulder pain, end the exercise. In pregnancy, there is a concern for placing stress on the abdominal wall. It may be best to modify the plank and do a side plank or an incline plank. Talk to your doctor or physical therapist to see if this is an appropriate exercise.